This is Reverend Gina again. I wanted you to see what it looks like when you are looking at Facebook and waiting for the video, the live to show up on your Facebook, on your web page, on the browser. If you look to your left, there is videos with this live button here, and if you click on it, click on the video that says live. If you look there, I'm going to click on it now. You can see that it is showing live from the sanctuary, and it's actually picking me up recording this video live from our sanctuary. So that is what it looks like when you are on Facebook and you go live. You'll see all of our videos. You'll see that the one that is broadcasting at that moment has the word live in red, and that's the one that you're going to click on so you can watch our services live on Sunday mornings. I hope this blesses you to know that we are connecting with you via Facebook and you are going to watch services and be blessed. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and know that we are praying for you, our community, our city, our states, and our world. God bless you. This is Reverend Gina Durbin. Bye-bye.